get you a bad bitch. She shaking dummy ass, I just wanna grab it. It's another one like DJ Khaled. I just hopped on and seen, oh yeah, me and my brothers got the green, tryna get between them. And she gon' cock block and leave.
What is going on, my air doggians, my air dogs, chat, my brothers, my sisters? I told y'all I'll be back at it, man. This is gonna be one of the first videos where I'm showing y'all my car. One of my cars at least, because I got a couple. A little bit earlier, I had told y'all that there's a sad reason why we wanted to get this photo shoot in today so quick with the SRT, and that's because it's coming to the end of its reign with the gold wrap, man. It's been a little bit over or under a year with it, and honestly, man, I can't even be so thankful for how much attention it's brought, how many friends I've made, how many people I've met, how many necks I've broken, like everything that's happened with it, man. But it's finally time to unwrap it. We're gonna bring it back to the silver. The Cadillac's still gonna remain gold for right now, and the BMW's gonna remain red. We're gonna make sure y'all get these good videos and a little bit of good last footage of it before we unwrap it, because it's gonna be a sad end of an era. This wrap was actually one of the first wraps I did, man. When I started off rapping like a year ago, I had no experience, I'm not gonna lie. I just wanted to dive into it. I seen people were making good money off of it. I thought it was easy, and it wasn't easy at all. That shit was actually the struggle. But now you see, from far away, it looks good. But in person, once you get up close to it, you feel me, it has its nooks and crannies, you know. It's not the best. I give it like a 6. As being a rapper now, if I would have seen it before I ever rapped a car, I'd have been like, oh yeah, that's still a 9 out of 10. Fuck it, you feel me? But now, it's definitely like a 5.5, like a good 5.5, but we're not gonna talk about it. You know, I haven't taken the time to redo it because I've been working on other projects and doing other people's cars, trying to make more money off of it. Y'all are gonna see probably 1 or 2 more Insta 360s with it where I'm getting a couple pulls. So look, let me show y'all some of these imperfections shit, because this shit is not perfect, right? I was trying to figure out how to take off the door handles. Come to find out, to take off the door handles, I have to take off the inside panel, take the window out, take out the window regulator. It was a whole process, and I'm not a body shop, I'm not a mechanic, man. I can't do none of that shit, chat. That shit's not happening. When I called up the body shops, they were talking about over $1,000 just to take off the 4 door handles and put them back on. Wasn't doing that either. So you know what we did? We installed them on there, with them on there, you know? And so we got these little gaps where I planned on filling it in, but I didn't make it happen. It's all good though. We're not even gonna talk about that. It's still silver. I was lazy. Sometimes I don't feel like doing that. I got the wrap, I got the materials. I just be like, sometimes shit be hard, you know? So we ain't ever end up doing this part right here. And if you keep coming along, you know what I'm saying? We got that done, we got all that done, you know what I'm saying? But then, why I didn't feel like doing the other side, chat, was because, and come in with me, you feel me? This right here, this little with the chrome, it just don't like any other color, it'll just but this just don't got it. Oh no, one of the worst parts, if you see in their chat, air doggians, that is not good, you feel me? We're just, but again, you know, with time comes knowledge, and with knowledge comes power or responsibility. Whatever it is, I know now. I know better now. This is one of my first jobs, you know, and all this is a message to let y'all know that if y'all ever want to start something, just get it started, man. The first time ain't gonna be easy, the second time ain't gonna be easy, but the 4th to 5th, shit, you never know, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all see this whenever we get it unwrapped. Make sure we get a good vid in. I'm gonna probably live stream it on TikTok, Twitch, Kick, you know, I be on all those, whatever it is. Just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. Drop any ideas y'all got for me, anything y'all want me to see do with the cars. I'm gonna make sure I make another video for y'all about the Cadillac and the BMW, and once we get that shit popping, man, I just hope y'all love it, because I'm gonna love it. I love doing it. So yeah, I love all y'all air doggians. Peace out.